Hey guys, this is Honor Band 5 and I am Alok, and here's the box. Also, here's the receipt. So I got this Honor Band 5 only for rupees 1979. So let's take a quick look at its features. It has a large AMOLED screen, stylish watch faces, scientific sleep monitor and many other things. Now let's open the box. After opening the box, you will simply see Honor Band 5 charger, and here you get some paperwork which usually anyone don't read. And here's the important thing, that is the warranty card. So now let's take a look at the Honor Band 5 itself. As you can see, the Honor Band 5 has a decent brightness. Also, it has step tracking feature, heart rate, SpO2, workout. In the workout section, you can see it has outdoor run, indoor run, cross trainer, rower, swimming and many other things. Now let's go to the more option. It also has the find my phone feature in which you can find phone. Also, the brightness of phone is pretty good in the sunlight. As we can see, it's definitely good. Now let's come and see the charger. Here's the charger, which I think it looks pretty decent, and you can put your Honor Band 5 into the charger like this. It's simply put it in and you can charge it. Let's take a look at the Huawei Health App, through which you can connect your Honor Band and see your sleeping record or a health record or whatever you want. So let's download this app. After downloading the app, open it up, accept the permission it asks for. Now go to devices. After clicking on devices, smart band, it will simply update its list, and after updating its list, you will see Honor Band 5 option. Now simply pair it with Bluetooth. Now as you can see, after pairing it, it will ask something like this on Honor Band 5, and here your Honor Band 5 is paired with your device. Now here guys, you can give access for notification of Huawei Health App in your device if you want to. Now let's talk about the faces which are available in Honor Band 5, and you get a variety of large range for Honor Band 5 faces. Now here's the thing, you first need to log in into your Huawei account, which you need to create by yourself, means you can't sign in with Google or any other thing. So simply make an account and sign in it. After signing it, simply tap on trust this device. Now you can use different type of watch faces which you want to apply on your Honor Band 5. So as you can see here, it is synchronizing the date. Now let's see which face were good for my Honor Band 5. Now I will simply tap on the face which I want, and here it will be applied. As you can see, the watch face looks pretty nice. Now I forgot to tell you something about its update. For example, the SpO2 feature worked after updating this Honor Band 5 twice. So you can simply go to device, your Honor Band 5, and at the bottom you will see firmware update. Now simply check for the updates, and there you go. If there is an update, simply update your device and you are good to go. So guys, that's it for this one. If you like this video, press the thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, and guys, I'll see you in the next one.